In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to make this cool, robust texture effect on your typography in your designs. Now we're going to learn how to do this to any font and any graphic in your designs, and even change the colors, so you can really integrate it into your designs if you want and however you like. And we're starting from a blank slide. Now there's actually two ways to do this. So let me show you the first one and change the background color to black so we can see the effect. Now let's go to text and add a title. Here we type in the word robust, since that's the effect that we want to create. And now we select the word, go to text, and here we type in anything with texture. So there's a whole lot of fonts available that has a texture to it. Some of them it really shows nice. I think this zoomy rough bold is really cool, and that has that sort of texturized effect to it. There's all sorts of different ones that you can use for this, and the cool thing is you can just drag them on the screen, type any word that you want, and it will automatically fill in. So that is the coolest and the simplest way to do this on your designs. Now, of course, I understand that some people want to use like custom fonts in their designs. So for that, there's a second way to do this for any font. So let's type in the word robust again, robust, increase it, and we're using the font Montserrat here. Now, I'll also use a different font, just so handles one, and that we have a different idea. So robust font, let's make this a bit larger and create like a cool stylized sort of text infographic, text element. And I'll maybe also add a graphic element, so brush strokes, so you can see how it works for everything. So you can make your design just like this. Let's make that white. And if you then scale it up how you like it, now let's add that robustness to it. So we have all the loose elements, and now we're going to here and we type in dust. We go for graphics, see all, and then we choose the particles. Position, bring it forward, and now we can increase it. Let's bring it to the front. There we go. And now we add it as an extra layer on top of everything in the design. So you can scale it up and then play around with this effect, which I think for me is the best way to do this, since we can create a copy easily and increase like the speckle effect, that robustness. We can duplicate it multiple times if you really want to go overboard and create like that effect in a very dense way. What else you can do is you can just change the background color, let's say to red, and then you just change the color of that dust particle also to a red. So you just copy it 2 times and there you have it. So for me, this is the best way of how we can do this. The first way, it's a pretty easy one. If you don't have any fonts, you can use any standard texture fonts available. Those are pretty easy to add to your design. But if you have more of a brand guideline to follow, you can use this effect with custom fonts, custom graphics, and add that robustness later on. The cool thing is you can also change the colors and really create a nicely designed effect in your designs. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.